Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: character level, class unlocks, and inventory space. Gather the exact materials now: Crysta shards, upgrade stones, and mesos, because missing one item halts progress. Once you have them, open the upgrade menu at the Arbiter NPC or the crafting bench. This is where upgrades execute. You will see required slots and success rates. Read them. Make sure to clear non-essential gear to avoid accidental consumption, and then select the item you intend to upgrade. You now slot the base Crysta, the required consumables, and any optional catalysts that boost success. Check the displayed success rate and failure consequences, whether downgrade, break, or resource loss, because that determines risk. Once done, decide if you will use protection items or boosters to raise the chance or avoid destruction. Spending a few extras often saves time. Confirm the action deliberately, then activate. If the upgrade consumes multiple steps, repeat with adjusted materials and monitor outcomes. You finish by inspecting the upgraded Crysta. Verify new stats, sockets, and any set bonuses to ensure the upgrade applied correctly. If you succeed, stash the item and log used resources for future plans. If failure occurs, pause, check salvage rules to see if materials return or if repair is possible. Once done, adjust your strategy, add protection items, use different catalysts, or target a lower-risk upgrade path, and then continue. One troubleshooting tip: always keep backup materials in case of unexpected loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.